If we look into the domain tuned models, so the key strengths of domain tuned models, specialized knowledge. Now, domain tuned models, as the name suggests, the models are tuned for a specific niche, specific domain. So, specialized knowledge these models have. Higher precision in domain, higher precision in domain, and they are often cheaper to run. They are often cheaper to run. Now, if we look at the use case, so these are best, like domain tuned models can be used for building legal agents. So legal agents, they will be focusing only on the legal domain knowledge, and they will be very precise in handling scenario, like the legal scenarios. Medical agents. So medical agents, they will be specialized in the medical domain. Financial agents, they will be specialized in the financial domain. And enterprise internal workflows, because if you talk about any organization, any company, any enterprise, the internal working might have certain nuances, certain specializations. So that can very easily be handled by the domain tuned models. So now it's very clear that domain tuned models, they are like domain tuned models, they are tuned with specific domain knowledges. So they have specialized knowledge, higher precision in domain, and they're often cheaper. We can use it for legal agents, medical agents, financial agents, enterprise internal workflows. If we look at the limitations of domain tuned models, the limitations, so narrower general reasoning. Now, domain tuned models, they don't have the broad knowledge. So if we ask anything out of the domain, it might struggle. If we ask it anything out of the domain, it might struggle. So narrower general reasoning, and domain tuned models, it is less flexible. It is less flexible. So with this discussion, one more very important architectural question in front of you, like when you're designing an agentic system, a very important decision question is, do you need general intelligence or domain depth? So two very important questions we discussed. Do you need capability or speed? And the second very important question is, do you need general intelligence or the domain depth? It's an architectural question.